Hey guys, Dylan from the Sneaker X is here with a new pickup. As you can see, it's the Foamposite 1 fighter jet. I'll show you the box. Foamposite 1 Premium, size 10.5, color white black, hyper red, dark gray, white. So these supposed to release January 1st, they didn't, then February 9th they released, and I got here. I'll show you the carbon fiber. The first thing that caught my eye when I saw the shoe is that it's not a regular Foamposite carbon fiber. The first Foamposite to have like a different carbon fiber was the Pro Carolinas. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's right. So basically the upper was modeled after the fighter jet plane. I'll flash a picture up right now for you guys. So, as you can see, it has a metallic silver, gray, black, white upper. If I go right here, you can see that hyper red swoosh. Going up, the tongue, red line, the Penny Hardaway logo, and hyper red. The lightning bolt. Toe cap, just the same look. All Foamposites right here. Small details that are actually pretty cool about the shoe. Here it says no step. Over here it says danger. So that I thought was a pretty cool detail. That was small. Look at this part of the shoe. See that same camo, the carbon fiber. I'll show you the back. Hyper red Penny Hardaway logo, that lightning bolt, and it seems to be that the camo meets up. I'll show you here, inside this one, this insole, there's a star, 2 lines, that is on the fighter jet. I'll flash a picture up so you can see where that is on the fighter jet now. So as you see, it's kind of cool that they included that. Lace this back. And on the other insole, it says ejection seat, then danger, danger, danger. So that was a pretty cool detail. Since it's kind of like an army-based shoe, they did include dog tags. They do come in a little bag, but I took that off. Here, 1 cent logo on this dog tag. On the other, let's see if I can get a look at that for you guys. Anthony Hardaway, number 1, 7/18/1971, his birth date, and then Memphis, Tennessee. Nike Foamposite 1. So that I thought was pretty cool. To the bottom. Nowadays, Nike's putting on tinted blue soles, some for design, some also because it helps kind of slow down the yellowing process, so it won't yellow the first time you wear them. But I'll show you. Fireball traction in the hyper red color. The penny logo in all black. That icy outsole. You can see it has that blue tint. The shank plate. And one thing, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like this, that I just realized. Well, I haven't just realized, I just have a look at them, but I'm trying to give you a good look at this. If you look here, you can see that the stitching from up here goes down. Same thing here, and same thing here. One thing I noticed is right here, it's this huge black mark, which I don't know what happened there exactly. And another thing I noticed is from the same shoe, no, from this shoe. There was already like a little, I honestly don't really care because I'm going to wear these, but there was like a scuff mark already on the bottom of the shoe that's like, I tried scrubbing it off, but it just didn't work, so I don't know really what to do. But anyway, these are the Foamposite 1 fighter jets. I'm glad to have these. We just made an Instagram. It's at SneakerX's. So follow us on Instagram. Also follow us on Google Plus and Twitter at SneakerX's and the SneakerX's. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do. And again, this is Dylan from the SneakerX's, and goodbye.